7 slices of bread a day, some days 8. I counted one time and then I stopped counting because I didn't like the number. And it wasn't junk food, that's the thing. There was chicken in there, avocado, vegetables. If you looked at my plate, you would say, okay, this guy is doing everything right. I was 92 kilo and 1 meter 88. I was training free 4 times a week for years, never really stopped, and almost every morning I woke up with cramps in my stomach. So the bread, what happened when I cut it, and why I still don't think bread is bad. A normal day for me looked like this. Morning, 2 slices. Lunch at work, 3 or 4, full with chicken and avocado and whatever vegetables were in the fridge. Then bread again with dinner. And I'm not even counting the Turkish bread. If you know, you know. Fresh from the oven, still warm. I would buy one for dinner and half of it was already gone before we sat down. The rest of the time whole wheat. Because whole wheat is the healthy one, no? That's what it says on the packet. So in my head, everything was fine. I'm training, I'm eating chicken and avocado, I'm buying the brown bread and not the white one. And I stayed 92 kilo for years. Same body, every year. Let me ask you something. When you think about what you ate today, do you count the bread or do you only count what was inside it? You don't see the bread, that's what I mean. You remember the chicken, you remember the salad you put in there. Nobody is standing in the kitchen thinking about the 2 slices around it. It's just the packaging. But 8 slices is a lot of food. That's already a full meal before you put anything on top. And I was eating that spread of the whole day without noticing it. And it's always there. That's the other thing. Bread is the easiest food in your house. You're hungry, you have 4 minutes, it's on the counter. Every time I had to decide something about food, the answer was already lying there waiting for me. Looking back, I wasn't even choosing it anymore. It was just what I did. Now the part I didn't understand for way too long. My stomach was a mess. Cramps in the morning, real pain. Not a little bit uncomfortable, bloated most of the day, and going to the toilet was never the same 2 days in a row. I had it for so many years that I stopped seeing it as a problem. I just decided, okay, this is my body. Some people have a bad stomach, I have a bad stomach. Maybe you are doing the same thing right now with something. A few weeks after I cut the bread down, it got quiet. Not from one day to the next. I want to be honest with you. It took weeks and I almost gave up on it. But the morning cramps went away and they didn't come back. But listen to me on this one. Because I got lucky and maybe you don't. If your stomach hurts every day, go to a doctor. Don't guess for years like I did. Pain every day can be celiac. It can be a real intolerance. It can also be something that has nothing to do with food. And most people don't know this. If you want the test for celiac, you have to still be eating gluten when they test you. If you cut it out first, the test says you're fine when you're not. So first, check it and then experiment. Okay, now some of you are going to disagree with me. Bread is not evil. It didn't make me fat. Gluten is not poison. Wheat is not trying to kill you. When somebody tells you that story, normally they are selling you something right after it. For me, it was 2 things. How much and which one. 8 slices a day, that's a lot of food you're not even tasting properly. And I changed it to sourdough, which ferments longer. And that longer ferment breaks down some of the stuff in wheat that makes people bloat. My stomach is better with it. Maybe it's the ferment. Maybe it's just that I eat 4 times less than before. Probably both, if I'm honest. Now I eat 1 slice of sourdough, 2 on a training day. And I still eat Turkish bread. Not every week, but when it's fresh and it's on the table, I'm eating some. And I'm not going to sit here and act like I don't. This next part is important because I know what some of you will do after this video. You're going to cut all your carbs. Please don't. Bread and carbs are not the same conversation. I cut the bread, I didn't cut carbs. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, rice, oats, fruit, all still there. And on training days, I want more of it, not less. Go too low with carbs and your training falls apart. You are weak on the bar, you recover slower, you feel flat the whole week, and then you start blaming your program. Meanwhile, you're not building anything, you're just tired. Carbs are your fuel. I only changed where mine come from. Now it's potatoes and rice instead of 8 slices of bread. So what did I get from it? The cramps stopped, and honestly, if that was the only thing, I would still do it again. I lost weight without changing my training and without counting anything. It was a few hundred calories a day that I wasn't even enjoying, just gone. I want to be fair with you though. I cleaned up some other things in the same period too. I was eating a lot of rubbish back then next to the bread, but the bread was the big one. And it was the one I never suspected. And my sessions got better because when your stomach is not fighting you all day, you have energy you didn't know was missing. So listen carefully. Here's what I want you to do, and it costs you nothing. 2 weeks. Count your bread. Don't change anything yet. Don't cut anything. Just count it and write the number down at the end of the day. I think a lot of you are going to be surprised. I was. Put your number in the comments, because I have a feeling I'm not the only one who was eating a full meal every day without noticing it. And if you think I'm wrong about the bread, tell me that too. I want to hear it. Thanks for watching, stay handsome, and I will catch you in the next one.